Good luck and be safe, eh? Howdy howdy folks, welcome to another video with me, Nuno, and who else? Can you guess? Mr. Zaid. Today, Boskop Dam. I love this place. It's winter, it's cold, it's not gonna be easy, but Boskop has treated me well over the years and I love coming to this place. So yeah, we're here today, have just a fun chill day out, no comps, just myself and Zaid having a chill day, trying to catch some biggins, and hopefully that will happen. So yeah, keep watching and enjoy.
There has to be a fish or two floating around, yeah?
A few minutes later.
Nice, come bring it home.
Yeah, baby! Yes, man! Finally! Freaking Boskop.
Nice. Nice, well done. Look how yellowish her belly is. Huh?
What?
Tá ficar calor aqui agora, não é?
Whatever.
Tá ficar calor, pá, não whatever, calor, pá.
Whatever that means.
Yeah.
Getting hot.
Check, yeah, got this grass, that grass, and then there's a huge like path inside. I mean, that's usually where you pitch in, then boom, boom! So what's going on? Very nice pockets though. Beautiful. Gorgeous. It's amazing how us fishermen look at like pockets and like areas and we're like, fuck, it's gorgeous, you know, like.
Someone else will look and be like, what? What do you mean?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
No, it's just this grass. It's in this grass now. Oh man, he's thick in that grass, bro. Still on though. Just try let him swim away. Please, come on. Can't lose my first fish. That was a bit like swimming it, bro. I'm thinking throwing the... I'm not gonna get this fish out. See if he'll swim down. He went right into this and this stuff's thick, bro.
See, it's somewhere around here that
Still on? It's alright, guy.
yeah.
He's like it. What do you mean it's not bad?
Yeah, nice fish, yeah.
It's like a 1.1, 1.2.
Yeah, nice fish.
Holy moly. Finally! I almost lost it. Oh, but this thing was going nowhere. Yay! And I caught a fish. They said they're a bit skinny, so it might only be just over a kilo.
1.2 on the dot. 1.2. Nice one.
Nice, buddy. Nice. Bring her in. Oh, the way she jumped.
jerkbait, bro. Jerkbait. Big on you in the net. Eh?
Oh, shit, really hope it's gonna come off, but
No. Nice, nice, buddy. Well done, boy.
jerkbait it is, huh? Eh? Yeah, dude. I was going against that wind like crazy. Now let's calm down a little bit. There we go. Ooh!
Big one.
Yeah! Oh my word, on a jerkbait. Oh my word. Oh! Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Oh my word.
Go to the front, go to the front.
Oh no, wait, this thing is...
No, don't. That's a nice one.
Woo! Yeah. Yes.
Oh no, hotspot. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Dude, we must keep our spots up. Oh.
Boy. That's a magic bait.
Hey?
It's the same color, we've both got that purple thing on top. How much?
It's between 1.8, 1.9,
Yeah.
1.79.
That's a very nice fish, man. Very, very
1.8.
I pulled it, eh? Jerkbait. Immediately, first class. Yeah.
On! Lekker!
Ah, he came off.
Oh no!
Oh. Damn it. That's definitely a fish. Ooh, ooh.
You on?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Oh! Oh! Flop! Wait! On!
No,
Oh,
man.
Wait! What?
Nunes, that was a nice fish, Nuno. Yes,
Where
Nuno.
was he? Like here?
Yeah. It was a nice fish. He tugged me all the way down again.
Throwing around there. Might still come back to it. Damn.
Guys who want to know what we're fishing, the Vision 110 plus 2, and it's also, I can't remember the actual color of this thing, but Nuno's throwing a very similar one, but in the 110 plus 1.
Off camera. Just quiet for a little bit. Nice little fatty. Hey.
What's happening, guys?
Okay, so guys, we are done for the day. It is now 4:10. The wind hasn't stopped for the last probably 2 hours. A constant wind like this is just irritating. We threw jerkbait, which worked well today. Well, now at the end, caught me my bigger fish and a couple other smaller ones. Zaid as well caught on the jerkbait. And what else did you catch on?
On a Senko.
Oh yeah, you caught in
Yamamoto Texas League Senko.
and then I caught a few on the Texas rig, little striking craw again. That seemed to do well for me, but the jerkbait landed up getting our biggest fish of the day. It was tough. It was a lot tougher than what I was expecting, but it was still fun. It's always nice to come out to boskop. I enjoy boskop. I can say it's definitely one of my top 5 dams.
Deep diving jerkbaits seem to be working at the moment, both at Wetbank and here, so interesting.
Yeah, mine wasn't so deep diving, yours was, but yeah, I managed to pick them up.
+1.
Yeah, yeah.
+1.
Doesn't.
It still goes to 10 feet, which is relatively deep.
But other than that, it was still fun. I was hoping for a few more bigger bites today, but it just didn't work out. But it's a lovely place. If you haven't been to Boskop at Tanglewood, make sure to come visit them. They've got amazing facilities here, and the waters are pristine. There's such good fish in this dam. Summertime, party starts. Anyhow guys, enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!